Hey, what's up, Dean? Safe Performance. We are back after the 4th of July, working, basically. If I remember, Saturday I left off. I got all the headers bolted in. I ended up staying a little bit more and tightening up all the exhaust. I just got to get that one piece to come forward, the back half of the exhaust to come forward. This morning I came in and I got all the trunnion upgrade done. So you can see the bushing with the circlips, the bolts. So I knocked that out real quick, and it actually went pretty easy. So it took like an hour, but I got all that stuff done. I just sent off the file. About to put the spark plug in, put the valve covers on, plug wires, get it up in the air, and I got to do the catch can too, I forgot, and the intake tube. So I'll get all that done up here, and once everything is done up here, I'll start filling the coolant, and yeah, and then I'll get it up in the air, and I'll try and get that exhaust to line back up. So let me jump on that, and I'll be right back. All right, everything's back. Valve covers are on, spark plugs in, all the plug wires are on, catch can, got coolant in it, air intake box is on, all nice. So I got the transmission dipstick out, and it's obviously the truck has not been run, so it's way over full right now, which is good, because once we start it, then it'll drop down. No leaks, knock on wood. I got the exhaust put back together. I don't know if we can see it. Oh, getting old. You can't see it. It's over there. That plate is in the way, but over there. I almost see it. I can't reach. Right there, that clamp. That's all back together. That was a... No, I used tubing and used all kinds of stuff to help it align when I undid the ratchet strap in the back. So everything is ready to go. I just got off the phone with Justin. Unfortunately, he had a burst hot water heater line. So I am not going to bother him today. Tomorrow afternoon, I have some appointments in the morning, but tomorrow afternoon, we should be able to knock this out, get it all done, and move on to the trampolines that are coming for some latches, and then possibly the Firebird for the roll cage. But I got another truck that has a little supercharger something or other on it. So we will see. Appreciate you watching. Like, subscribe, hit the bell to be notified of new videos. Leave me a comment, and as always, have a good day.